Hi, welcome to the photographer's concentration test from me, Stephen Power, and Skellig Ring Photography Workshops. You know, as photographers, we really need to be able to be clear about what we're seeing, really be able to focus on the subject and identify the subject. Once we've done that, we're able then to decide what kind of photograph we want to take with it. But the first thing is identify the subject, be very clear about what we're seeing, and then decide with your technical skills how to turn that into a great photograph. So I'm going to check your skills of perception. Can you really see what you think you see? Let's have a go. Alright, so I've got 4 cards and these 2 are aces with their backs to you. Let's have a look at the 2 in the middle. You can see they're kings, but concentrate on the colour of them. What colour are they? You got it in your mind? You can see what colour those kings are very clearly. Are you sure? Look, let's just do one more. Okay, so as I mentioned, the 2 cards with their backs to you were aces. Here's the first one. Okay, and here's the second one. What about the cards in the middle? Can you remember? Did you see them clearly enough? Did you concentrate? Kings, right? You're going to have to work on that concentration. We can help at Skellig Ring Photography Workshops. Enjoy your photography.